Suppose I should add a couple of tips. One is, after I clean these and then sanded them and then I ran them underwater again to get the dust off, after that, touch them again without rubber gloves to keep hand oil off of them. I sanded them and I cleaned them up to get the paint to grip good, but I didn't really I spent maybe an hour or so on prep. They're hubcaps, they're gonna get beamed up again, so they're not gonna look brand new. What I'm looking for is they just were 25 years old, paint was peeling off of them, and they looked just horrible. So that's why I didn't just overly sand them and make them look pristine, but I'm gonna do this white, and then I'm gonna go back with a metallic silver. Total cost of paint, about 10 bucks for 2 cans. $3 for the primer, $6 for the other thing. That if you can, get a box like this. A good way to keep the paint from going all over the place.